Okay, students. See, good morning. See, we will discuss three more problems in the ellipse. So there ends the ellipse chapter. See, problem first. Small problems, 2 marks problems, 3 problems are there. If the length of the major axis, if the length of the major axis of an ellipse, see, length of the major axis of an ellipse is 3 times, see, 3 times that of the length of the major axis of an ellipse, 3 times that of, or its minor axis. Minor axis. Find the eccentricity. Okay. Find the eccentricity of the ellipse or eccentricity. See, the length of the major axis. Length of the major axis. See, you know, see, length of the major axis equal to 2a, we know. Next, length of the minor axis equal to 2b. Okay. What is given? The length of the major axis of the ellipse is 3 times of its minor axis. It means what is given? Given 2a equal to 3 times of 2b. The major axis, this axis is 3 times of the minor axis. Okay. Then 2a equal to 6b. Okay. It goes to 3 times or a equal to 3b. See. Okay, from the given hypothesis or given data, 2a equal to 3 times of 2b means a equal to 3b. Okay. Next, we know b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Okay. B square equal to a square means 3b square, it means 9b square into 1 minus e square. Do we have e square value? No. Is there any evidence given? No. So we have to find that one. Okay. Now b square cancel here. 1 minus e square into 9 equal to 1, or 1 minus e square equal to 1 by 9. Now we want 1 minus 1 by 9 equal to e square, simple. Or 9 minus 1 by 9 equal to e square, 8 by 9 equal to e square, or equal to under root of 8 by 9. See, what is square root of 8? 4 into 2, you can write this one 3 into 3. So, 2 root 2 by 3. 2 root 2 by 3. See, check once again, you check the calculation here. Length of the major axis given, minor axis given. So 3 times of the minor axis. Okay, a equal to 3b. See, we have this relation. You substitute the a value in this one, and we get the e value equal to 2 root 2 by 3. Simple problem. This is our 2 marks problem. See, one more problem we can go. You can solve one more problem. See. See, let me write the second problem in this chapter. If the length of the lattice rectum is equal to half of the, see the given condition, half of the minor axis half of its minus axis. Its minor axis of the ellipse find here also what you ask me here, eccentricity of the ellipse. Once you go through the problem, what is given? The length of the lattice rectangle is equal to half of its minor axis. Okay. See, given data first, right? Length of lattice rectangle, formula 2b square by a. Okay. Length of the minor axis equal to 2b. You know this formula. See, what is given? The length of the lattice rectangle is equal to, it means 2b square by a is equal to half of its minor axis. Half of its minor axis. This is the condition given. With this condition, we have to find the eccentricity of the ellipse. See, 2 cancel here. 2b square by a equal to b. Or 2b square equal to ab. If you cancel bb on both sides or divide b by both sides equal to 2b equal to a. 2b equal to a. See, now we want eccentricity. What is the relation between a, b and e? We know b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Okay. With this relation, we have to find e. Okay. How to find? B square equal to, what is a value? A equal to b. You substitute here. 2b means 4b square into 1 minus e square. B square are cancelled here. So 1 equal to 4 into 1 minus e square. 1 minus e square, or 1 minus e square equal to 1 by 4, or 1 minus 1 by 4 equal to e square. So you take LCM. This is 3 by 4 equal to e square, or equal to root 3 by 2. See, this is the eccentricity value. See, in this problem, what is given? Length of the lattice rectangle is equal half of its minor axis. See, with this information, we have the value equal to 3 by 2. See, one more problem is there. This is also one simple problem. With that problem, we can finish the entire ellipse chapter. See, let me take. Let me read the third problem. What is given? Find the equation of the. See, find the equation of the ellipse. See, the given problem, ellipse, refer to its major and minor axis. Refer to its major and minor axis. Major and minor axis as the coordinates of, see, as the coordinates of axis is represented as with the lattice rectangle length with lattice rectangle length 4 and distance between foci is distance between foci is 4 root 2. This one also very important problem. See, what is given? Length of the, see, you go through the problem, once you go to read the problem, what is given? Length of the lattice rectangle given. Okay, one thing, let equation of the ellipse equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b. Okay. What is given? Length of lattice rectum given. Length of lattice rectum equal to 4. It may immediately write 2b square by a equal to 4, or implies 2b square equal to 4a, or b square equal to 2a. With this information, we have b square value. See, 2b square by a equal to 4, 2b square equal to, if we cross multiply, it becomes 4a, or b square equal to a. We have the value. Next, one more information is also given to you. The distance between the foci, it means it is one focus, the second one, the distance between the foci equal to what is given? 4 root 2. You know the distance between two foci equal to 2ae. With the help of ae comma 0 minus ae comma 0, distance between 2 points will get 2ae. Also 2ae equal to 4 root 2 is given. 2ae means that distance between two foci equal to 2ae. Okay. A, it goes to 2 times, or ae equal to 2 root 2. ae equal to 2 root 2. Okay. B square equal to 2a. So, with the help of these two, we have to find the equation of the ellipse. Okay. How to find equation of the ellipse? Same procedure. We know b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square value. Okay. Or a square into 1 a square minus a square e square equal to b square. Okay, b square. A square, to have no value, a square minus a square e square means a whole square. It means 2 root 2 whole square equal to b square means you have 2a, or a square minus 4 2s are 8 equal to 2a, or a square minus 2a minus 8 equal to 0. See, we have second degree equation. Find, you write write the roots of 1 into 8 minus 8. So you can write this one as a square 8. 8 means 4 2s are 8. Okay. You can write this one as 4a plus 2a minus 8 equal to 0. 4 2s are 8. 4 minus 2 is minus 2. Okay. A into a minus 4 plus 2 into a minus 4 equal to 0. See, 2a minus a square minus 4a. Again, a minus 4 into a plus 2 equal to 0. A equal to 4 or a equal to minus 2. But a is not a equal to minus 2 is not applicable here, because a is greater than b. Okay. Now a equal to 4. See, a equal to 4 means a square equal to 16. No doubt. And we know the value of b square. B square equal to 2a, or b square equal to 2 into a. 4 and 2 into a means 2 into 4. So b square equal to 8. We have a square value and b square value. What is our standard form of the ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. We write substitute x square by a square 16, y square by b square means 8 equal to 1. Or you can take LCM. What happens here? You can get easily take LCM. We ask it as a standard form, so leave it. Okay, this is the end of our ellipse chapter. See, we will meet again in our next topic. Thank you. I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.